Skip the first 5 chains from the hook. Insert your hook in the 6th chain of the previous row and work 1 double crochet. Insert your hook in the 7th chain and work the 2nd double crochet. Insert your hook in the 8th chain and work the 3rd double crochet. Yarn over and insert your hook in the 5th chain of the previous row under the back loop. Work the 4th double crochet. The 4th double crochet stitch appears above 3 double crochet stitches.